In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create countdown timer in Canva. Whether you're prepping a YouTube intro, a webinar warm-up, or a social media teaser, a clean countdown helps set the tone and builds anticipation right away. Start by opening Canva in your browser or app. From the home screen, head to the video section. Working inside a video project is important because countdowns are animated, and this format ensures smooth playback later. Choose a video size that suits your destination, like a standard widescreen layout, and select any template that feels close to your style. The template simply gives you a background and structure. You can keep it as is or customize it later. For now, we're focusing on getting the timer in place. With your design open, move to the left sidebar and click Elements. In the search bar at the top, type Timer. You'll see a mix of graphics, but we're after motion, so look for the video category and click See All. This reveals a collection of animated countdown clips, some sleek and minimal, others bold and energetic, so you can match the vibe of your project without building a timer from scratch. Browse the options and select any timer animation you like. One click adds it to your canvas. From here, position it where it makes the most sense, centered for maximum focus, aligned near a headline, or anchored in a corner if you prefer a subtle countdown. Choose a style that complements your background and text, so everything feels cohesive on screen. Next, resize the timer by dragging the corner handles. Make it large and bold if you want it to drive attention, or scale it down when it's meant to support other visuals. Keep an eye on margins. Leaving a bit of space around the edges helps avoid cropping on different platforms and keeps your layout looking polished. When you're happy with placement and size, click Play to preview the animation. Watch the pacing and check legibility. The numbers should be easy to read, with enough contrast against the background. If the timer gets lost, try a variant with thicker numbers or a ring that stands out more, or simplify your background so the movement remains clear. And that's it. You've opened a video project, chosen a template, found animated countdowns and elements, added one to your design, resized it, and previewed the results so you know exactly how it will look. Use this approach to create engaging intros and transitions that guide your audience and build momentum from the very first second.